What up, guys? Today's video, FRS is on jack stands, as you can tell. Beep. We're going to be doing the transmission oil on this. I was going to do the diff and the trans oil, but I was watching GT86 Speed Factory video, and the transmission oil came out like apple juice, and the diff came out like cranberry style juice. So people said that they use the same oil in both, and they run no problems. I probably might do it down the road, but right now, I'm just going to do the trans because, I don't know, that kind of worries me. I feel like I'd rather just get the correct oil for the diff. I'm going with pretty much the stuff on their website, the Motul 7590 full synthetic. I heard that if you change it over to full synthetic, it actually helps with the shifting really nice. I probably ended up getting a weighted shift knob too, but that's down the road. I have the crush washers from Toyota, and I also got the magnetic drain plug for the trans as well. It is a 10mm hex socket, if people are wondering, because I had to look it up. I was confused. But car is up. I know there's 2 skid plates on the bottom that I have to remove. Pretty much this tool will come in handy, and then we will go from there. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to say. I do not know. But anyways, yeah, so I was going to do the diff, but we'll hold off on that. I think the diff should be fine. It's only 60,000 miles, but I don't know. Unless you guys say you've ran this oil with the diff and the trans, no problem. I saw a couple comments saying people had issues, they blew them up, but they were also probably being stupid. Got 3 quarts. It says in the manual 2.3. So I got 3 because these ones also had the built-in nozzle with it, which I heard is supposed to be nice. So car's up. Let's go get the skid plates off. Yep, that hasn't been changed.
hear the sound of your heart beating. If there's a way to stop it, show me how.
I know you're telling me you're leaving, but all I wanna do is hold you now and hear the sound of your heart beating. If there's a way to stop this, show me how.
Show me how, show me how, show me how.
I know you're